Choosing the right programming language depends on your goals, interests, and the type of projects you want to build. Today, let's explore popular programming languages and how to decide which one is best for you. 1. Web development. If you're interested in web development, JavaScript is essential for creating dynamic websites. Paired with HTML and CSS, JavaScript is crucial for front-end development, while Node.js lets you work on the back-end as well. 2. Mobile app development. For mobile apps, Swift is the go-to language for iOS, while Kotlin is recommended for Android. If you want to create cross-platform apps, Flutter with Dart is also a powerful option. 3rd, data science and machine learning. If data science excites you, Python is highly popular for its readability and extensive libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow. R is also valuable, especially for statistical analysis. 4. Game development. For game development, C# with Unity is excellent for beginners, while C++ is widely used in more advanced game engines for high-performance games. Choosing a language that aligns with your goals will keep you motivated and make learning enjoyable.